Hello students, let us start the circular flow of income in different sectors of the economy. First one, we have to see the circular flow of income in simple two-sector model economy. In two-sector model economy, only two sectors are present, that is household sector and production sector or farm sector. There is no government sector, there is no rest of the world sector, there is no leakages, there is no injection, only two sector purely functioning in the economy, household sector and farm sector. How these two sectors functioning in an economy, and it is considered in circular flow of income. Households are the factor owners. They provide different factors of production to the firms, and firms acquire these factors of production from the households, and firms produce different goods from these factors of production, and those produced goods will again supplied to the households because they are the consumer of the produced goods. In this way, it is acting year by year. That is why it is called circular flow of income. It can be cleared from the following picture. Let us introduce capital sector in the two sector model economy. When we will introduce capital sector in the two sector model economy, from the following picture, it will clear the views of the circular flow of income in the two sector model economy with the capital sector. Now we will consider the four sector model economy. How the four sector model economy will act, and which sectors are called four sector model economy. Household sector, number one. Number two, farm sector. Number three, government sector. Number four, rest of the world or external sector. How the circular flow of income flows in these four sector model economy will be cleared from the following figure. From the following picture, anyone can understand the flow of various goods and services as well as incomes in the four sector model economy. Here we can easily understand that household sector providing factors and to the firm sector, and firm sector provide factor payments to the household sector, and household sector provides consumption expenditure to the firm sector, and the savings of the and borrowings of the firms comes and goes from the capital market, and savings and borrowings also interacts the household from the capital market. Now we have introduced the government sector with the two sector model economy, how it will connect with the two sectors, that is government receives corporation tax from the firms, provides subsidies to the firms, and government expenditure on goods and services goes to the firms, and personal taxes goes from the households to the government, and transfer payments comes from the government to the household, and government expenditure from for services goes to the households. And rest of the world, how it is linked? The government receives rest government sectors receives international payments on government account from the rest of the world and provide international payments on government account. This is the connection of the government with the rest of the world. And how rest of the world connected from the firm sector, export and payment for imports. It is the connection from the rest of the world and firm sector. The four sector model of an economy, how it creates a circle, that is why it is called four sector model of economy of circular flow of income. Now let us consider what is leakages and injection. These two terminology has been introduced. Leakages, the amount of withdrawal from the circular flow of income in the economy is called leakages, and the amount of investment is called the injection in the economy. The example of leakages is the savings, and number two, imports and tax payments. These are the leakages. And injection is the export and investment. These are the injection in the circular flow of income. Consider that these all we have discussed are the simple way of circular flow of income in four model sector of economy. And while we consider the two sector model economy only, in that case leakages and injection terminology will not be considered, will not be included in that model of economy. Whatever these two sector models economy are taking and giving will happen only these two models only, that is household sector and farm sector. In this way we have completed the circular flow of income. Rest is well. Thank you.